This is Chapter 7, Lesson 5, Solve and Write Division Equations. Your code word for this lesson is Sacramento. Since we are solving division equations, remember the inverse of division is multiplication. So I have the multiplication property of equality. So what that means is when you solve an equation by multiplying each side of the equation by that same number using the multiplication property of equality. So to solve all these problems, I'm going to be using multiplication. Let's look at a few examples. These examples can be found on page 562. We are going to do them all. So my first example is A. X divided by 8 equals 9. Remember, whenever I have x over a number, that means dividing, just like it does in fractions. So, if I have x divided by 8, to solve this, I want to times both sides by 8. If you like using the little x for multiplication, that's fine too. 8 divided by 8 is 1 again, so I'm left with x. Those cancel. 9 times 8 is 72. So when I go to check, I'm saying that 72 divided by 8 should give me 9. And it does, so that's my answer. Now for letter B. I have y divided by 4 equals 8. I want to multiply both sides times 4 to get rid of the 4's. I'm left with just y. 8 times 4 is 32. When I go to check, 32 divided by 4 should give me 8. And it does, so I did it correctly. Letter C. M divided by 5 equals 9. So again, I'm taking both sides times 5. My 5's will go away. I'm left with just my m. 9 times 5 is 45. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So when I check this, 45 divided by 5 should give me 9. And it does, so I did it correctly. Remember with an equation for letter D that it doesn't matter what side the variable is on, you're still solving for it. So if I have b over 2, this is the side I need to take 2 times. So my 2's cancel and I'm left with just b. 30 times 2 is 60. So when I go to check this, I'm saying that 30 should equal 60 divided by 2. Well, 60 divided by 2 is 30, so I did it correctly. We will go through many more examples in class.